Welcome to Class 10 Insight. In today's class, we shall be discussing about the chapter Light. All the important concepts for your exams will be revised in just one video. It's very important with respect to your exams. So let's start with the topic, chapter Light. Which are the two concepts involved in the light? In the chapter Light, it is reflection and refraction. First, let us all revise what are all the concepts related to reflection completely. Then we shall go to refraction. So first, coming to reflection. What is the definition of reflection? The definition is the bouncing back of light from any surface in the same medium is called reflection of light. There are two laws of reflection. Which are they? The incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal. The incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence lie in the same plane. This is the first law. Seeing the diagram, it is easy to understand. Then angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, that is I is equal to R. These are the two laws with respect to reflection. So we are done with the definition and laws of reflection. Where all do we observe reflection? We observe reflection in mirrors. So which are the two types of mirrors? Plane mirror and spherical mirror. Coming to the plane mirror, what is the shape? It is flat and smooth reflecting surface. It forms. So with respect to plane mirror and spherical mirror, we will be discussing about its shape, nature of image formed, magnification, focal length, application, and a ray diagram. So all the concepts with respect to plane mirror and spherical mirror will be discussed in one shot. So coming to plane mirror, shape is flat and smooth reflecting surface. Coming to the nature, it forms virtual, erect, and laterally inverted image. Its magnification is +1 and focal length is infinity. Its applications, it is used in solar cookers, periscope, scientific instruments for redirecting the light, which enables observation. And this is the ray diagram. This is the reflecting surface, plane surface, that is the plane mirror, incident ray, and the reflected ray, which obeys this law of reflection. Coming to the spherical mirror, we have two types of spherical mirror, that is concave and convex. First, let us finish with concave. Shape is reflecting surface that curves inwards. So this is the reflecting surface. It is curved inwards. We call it as a concave mirror. Its shape is reflecting surface that curves inwards. Nature, it forms both real and inverted, virtual and erect. Very important. Concave mirror forms both real and inverted, virtual and erect. Image of the object. Magnification. Magnification can be positive, negative, or it can be less than or more than 0 also. Focal length is negative. Focal length of concave mirror is negative. What is the application of concave mirror? Where all it is used? It is used in torches, vehicle headlights, shaving mirrors. Large concave mirror are used to concentrate sunlight to produce heat in solar furnaces because it is going to converge the reflected rays. Hence, because of this property, it has got various applications. We have considered a concave mirror whose center of the reflecting surface we can consider as a pole. Considering only one incident ray, we observe that when the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, the reflected ray is passing through the focus. So this is how the reflected ray pattern comes in concave mirror. Coming to the next type of spherical mirror, it is convex mirror. It is the diverging mirror. So its reflecting surface is curved outwards. You can observe here the reflecting surface is curved outwards. It forms virtual, erect, and diminished images of an object. Coming to the magnification, it is always positive and less than 1. Very important. Magnification of convex mirror is always positive and it is less than 1. Its focal length is positive. Focal length of convex mirror is positive. Coming to the applications. It is used as a rear view. That is nothing but the wing mirrors in our vehicles. For safer driving, it is provided for a wider field of view. It always gives an erect image and enables the driver to see more clear image, but it will be smaller in size. That is why the magnification is always less than 1. Coming to the reflecting pattern, the ray diagram. If you consider this as the convex mirror, that is the outward part is the reflecting surface, and we also know that it is a diverging mirror. If this is the incident ray, you can see that it is getting reflected back. When it is extended, we can see that it is passing through the focus, obeying the law of reflection. Coming to the sign conventions of mirror, that is in reflection. This is a concave mirror, that is the inner curved surface is the reflecting surface. When the object is placed, suppose we consider this as an x-axis and this as the y-axis as the Cartesian plane. If the object is placed to the left of the reflecting surface, we take u as negative. It means u is always negative. And the object in your concave mirror, nothing but the converging mirror, if it is formed towards the left, it is in the same side of the mirror, then we will be negative. If the object is formed after the mirror, that is after the reflecting surface, the right side of the plane, then we will be positive. In the same way, coming to the convex mirror, that is where the outer surface, it is the reflecting surface. As you know that when the object is placed here to the left side, u is always negative, and when the object is formed to the right side, that is to the opposite side of the object, then we will be positive. We will be negative when u and v are on the same side. In a convex mirror, V is always positive and focal length is also always positive. Then coming to the height of the object. In case of both concave and convex mirror, if the object is placed above the x-axis, that is the erect object is placed, then H will be positive. Then if the image is formed below the x-axis, then H dash will be negative. These are the sign conventions for mirror. So these are the concepts that we have to keep in mind with respect to reflection in mirrors. Coming to the last concept with respect to reflection, it is mirror formula and magnification. Mirror formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, where u is the object distance and v is the image distance. What about magnification? It is h dash by h. That is nothing but height of the image and height of the object, which is nothing but is equal to minus v by u. Negative sign, it is there in the formula itself for the mirror. V is again the image distance and u is the object distance. You can take h as h naught also. H1 is or hi is height of image and ho is height of object. So these are the concepts with respect to reflection and mirrors, its types and sign conventions and formulas. Now coming to the next topic, that is refraction. First, let us see the definition of refraction. The phenomenon of bending of light at the surface of second medium when light goes from one medium to another is known as refraction. That is, the ray of light will be traveling from one medium to another medium, from one medium to medium 2. At that time, the light ray is going to bend. That phenomenon is known as refraction. What are the laws of refraction? Incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the surface lie on the same plane. This is the first law of refraction. Next is the Snell's law, which says that n is equal to sin I by sin r, where the sine ratio will be calculated with respect to the incident ray and the refracted ray. That is, the angle made by the incident ray with the normal is angle of incidence, and the angle made by the refracted ray with the normal, we call it as angle of refraction. So this is the definition and the laws of refraction. Considering the refraction happening in a glass slab, through a glass slab. So if this is the incident ray, AO is the incident ray, from air, when it is passing through the glass medium, it is traveling from a rarer medium to a denser medium. At that time, the refracted ray is bending towards the normal. Then the same refracted ray is allowed to pass from the denser medium to the rarer medium again. That is nothing but the air medium. So at that time, this is the emergent ray. On extending the incident ray, that is nothing but AO, on extending the incident ray, it is found that the incident ray is parallel to the emergent ray. Very important concept. So that is, angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence. Then, type of refractive index. We have two types, that is absolute refractive index and relative refractive index. Absolute refractive index, it will be calculated with respect to the velocity of light in air or vacuum, that is equal to C by V, where C is the velocity of light in air or vacuum. It is a definite value. You have to remember, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. V will be the velocity of light, whichever medium it will be asked. Coming to the relative refractive index, it will be calculated with respect to two mediums, that is medium 1 and medium 2. That is, N21, the refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium will be calculated by taking the ratio of their velocities. That is, velocity of the light or the speed of the light in first medium to the speed of light in the second medium. In the same way, relative refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium will be calculated by taking the ratio of the speed of the second medium with respect to the first medium. We have to keep this in mind. There are chances of asking numericals with respect to these formulas. It is very important. Refraction happens in lens also. So which are the two types of spherical lens we are going to discuss in this 10th standard grade is concave lens and convex lens. Concave lens, it is thinner at the center and thicker at the edges. It is thicker at the edges. They diverge the light rays, causing parallel rays to spread out. So they are going to diverge the light rays. We are considering just one ray so that it will be easy to revise. It is used in eyeglasses to correct the defect myopia. A concave lens always forms a virtual image. Very important, a concave lens always forms virtual image. Coming to the convex lens, the convex lens, by seeing the image only, it is very clear. It is thicker at the center and thinner at the edges. They are going to converge the light rays. They are going to converge the light rays. That is why it is called as a converging lens. It is used in cameras, telescopes, glasses to correct farsightedness, nothing but hypermetropia. Whereas concave lens is used to correct myopia. Then the convex lens produces virtual upright images for objects which are beyond the focus. So what are the formulas related to these lens? Lens formula, magnification and power. Lens formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Same as a mirror formula. The only thing is we have a negative sign here, where u is object distance and v is image distance. Magnification is equal to v by u. In mirror, it was negative here, but we have positive in case of lens. So magnification is v by u and h dash by h. Same That is, V is image distance and U is object distance, whereas HI is height of image and H naught is height of object. Coming to the power of the lens, the reciprocal of focal length is known as power. The power will be calculated in diopter when the focal length is in meter. That is one of the important point you have to remember while solving numericals. You can take a screenshot of the complete mind map which will help you to revise during your exams. So this is the complete revision of the chapter light in one shot. Let me know in the comment section if you need a mind map and the revision class of array diagrams in the same way. Hope this class was useful. In order to get updates of our new videos being uploaded, you have to subscribe our channel.